Hello, I'm Martin Howard, and I've been collecting antique typewriters from the 1880s and 1890s for 25 years now. I have always been interested in objects of antiquity and their historical context. In collecting typewriters, I found an ideal venue to connect with early machines, to practice and develop conservation techniques, and to be the curator of my own museum. It was my parents, though, in collecting all sorts of antique agricultural, medical, and kitchen tools that really showed me the beauty and intrigue of old machinery and gave me the desire to form my own collection when I was in my late 20s. I spotted high upon a shelf in a cluttered junk shop a very dirty and quite rusty typewriter, and it turned out to be a calligraph typewriter from the 1880s. I paid $100 for it, took it home, and began to completely take it apart and restore it. And during this time I discovered the remarkable range of typewriter designs that had emerged during the 1880s and 1890s, and I was hooked. I love to restore these finely built machines and have spent hundreds of hours working on a single typewriter, dismantling every part to remove dirt, old oil, and rust. It takes a lot of patience, but the pleasures of exploring the mechanisms of a 100-year-old typewriter and the end result, a beautiful, smoothly operating machine, is well worth it. Today, there are over 500 typewriter collectors spread around the world. As strange as it may seem, collectors connecting with other collectors, in a broad sense, is similar to people walking their dogs and encountering each other. The dog owners easily approach one another, and conversations spring up with ease. I do not have a dog, but me and my typewriters are always out and about, and I have met all sorts of lovely people along the way. There is a remarkable collective experience that we have towards typing and a strong nostalgia for the typewriter as a physical and emotional symbol of writing. And in this age of handheld communication devices, it is wonderful that these early typewriters still get such attention from people today. If you'd like to see my collection, please visit my website at antiquetypewriters.com.